What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar, and ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to bring you guys another cocktail with a musical connection. I mean, if you guys have watched this channel long enough, you know Vino loves music, and any chance I get to connect it with a cocktail, I'm all in it, folks. All right? And this particular cocktail is called Monkey Man, and it was created by Jim Kearns over at the Happiest Hour in New York City. Now, the name of the cocktail is inspired by a 1969 hit reggae song called Monkey Man that was sung by Toots and Maytal, and it was actually recreated later on by the popular ska band No Doubt. So this is no doubt to be a delicious cocktail. You see what I did there? Sorry guys, bad dad joke. Anyway, so what makes this particular cocktail interesting to me too is the fact that it uses Tennesse Whiskey. Now that in itself is not interesting, but the thing is that this is a tropical cocktail. I mean, it's got pineapple juice and cinnamon syrup and all that good stuff. So I don't think I've ever seen Tennesse Whiskey specifically used in a tropical cocktail. Well, we're gonna find out today if it's any good, folks. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what is in the sauce for our Monkey Man cocktail. The first thing we're gonna need is a ½ ounce of lime juice. So I'm gonna be using some of my super lime juice, all right? You can use whatever you have. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And as you guys know, I'm gonna be using my Trader Joe's cold pressed pineapple juice. If you guys can find this stuff, trust me, you won't regret it, all right? And then I'm gonna do a ½ ounce of cinnamon syrup. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use a little bit less than that because mine is a rich simple, all right? There we go, perfect. Excelente. And then I'm gonna do also a ½ ounce of vanilla syrup, all right? I just made a fresh batch. Okay, there you go. Again, just a little bit less than a quarter for me because I make all my simples very rich, all my syrups rich. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is a ½ ounce of a banana liqueur, and this is a fresh batch I just made here. All right, so ½ ounce. Excellent. So as you can see, a very tropical cocktail. I imagine the banana liqueur is an homage to the Monkey Man name, right? And then we're gonna do a ½ ounce of an aged rum. I'm gonna be using Appleton Estate. It is a reggae band, so Jamaica makes sense, right? And then here it is, folks. Here is our Tennessee whiskey. I'm gonna be using old reliable Jack Daniels, and we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Tennessee whiskey, all right, folks? Now, the thing about Tennessee whiskey, I mean, I'm actually picking that up on the nose. I haven't had Jack in a really long time. You actually do get a little bit of kind of those banana notes on the nose, kind of like a little bit of banana peel. So, you know, this is probably, this makes a lot of sense, all right? So let's go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. Okay, and then we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook this bad boy up enough, right? I'm gonna bring out my glass here. I'm gonna serve that in a coupe, which I've had chilling like a villain. And let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. All right, there we go. Look at that. We got ourselves a really healthy wash line. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Stefan Foisy, eat your heart out. All right, folks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just garnish that with a little dehydrated banana chip here. Whoop, that was sloppy, there you go. It gets stuck to my finger, there you go. Anyway, folks, there it is, our Monkey Man cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give our Monkey Man cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So it's definitely on the sweeter end. I think between the banana liqueur and the pineapple juice and the two different syrups, it definitely lends itself towards a sweeter style of cocktail. And I probably would have used maybe Smith & Cross instead of Appleton so I can bump up the ABV a little bit just to help kind of fight off a little bit of that sweetness. Delicious cocktail though. It is very yummy, super bright and super fruity. You definitely get some of them banana notes between the Banana Liqueur and the Tennesse Whiskey. It's very, very tropical, but I would say it's a little bit sweeter than I personally like. But if you're someone that likes your cocktails on the sweeter side, I think you're absolutely gonna dig this cocktail, right folks? So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.